with my eyes open. Hey, Megan. A little help here?
Miss, your backpack. I believe you'll be needing this. Your golden notebook. And your decor, of course.
Wow, thank you. Nice, huh? I have stuff too. Just bring me the stuff, okay? It's on its way. Hey.
Let me just set you up. I brought you all the essentials. Like paper. Almost like new. And a pencil can too. Any chips left in here? It's all yours. Here you go.
See all this? I guess. Hey, get me some more stuff.
Okay, how about your laptop? The newest model, of course.
That's right. Oh, can I have one of those? Please?
Let me think. I may have something in here. Yep, I knew it. A real computer keyboard. All for you. The screen, too.
Wow! I've never had a laptop before.
And a phone, too.
Yahoo! No way! You rock!
Jealous? I'd be.
At least I have this.
Are those hundreds?
Yeah, you want 'em? Hey, stop! Go fetch!
Ah, got it! I'm a rich, rich man. Nothing to see here.
I can't believe you did that. I'd better get to work anyway. I can't wait to get out of here. Remember about the homework class? Ha! Like I forget. There! All done! Miss, I finished! Look! I'm a genius! Julie? Huh? What is it? Oh no! I must have dozed off! This is my chance! Hey! What are you doing? Ha! This is so funny! Julie hasn't done her homework! What did you say? Be front. Sure.
Take a look at this.
Interesting. I need payback. Aha! Got it. Ugh, this is heavy! Come on! I need to work out. I'll put it on Betty's chair. Ugh. Now I'll slide it in. Time to act innocent.
Thanks for your help, Betty.
Huh? My chair isn't moving. What is going on? Ugh, move! This is all you're doing. I won't give up. Let's do this. No mercy. It's showtime. Here goes. No way. She's moving it. Just a little further. Ha! I did it. Huh. I think this belongs to you. Is this really happening? I'm scared. Oh yeah! I'm pumped!
Wow, Betty is swole. I could use some tips.
This class is the worst.
As you can see. Huh? Break time!
Great! I'm hungry. I keep my snacks up here. I'm looking forward to this. What are you doing? Delicious. This is hard to watch. Oh, butler. This was flown in from Paris. It doesn't get better than this. I enjoy that. Ugh. Look at all those crumbs. I need to clean it. Butler, get in here. Something wrong? I better make a call. Hey! Ugh, you can't get the staff. This is more like it. This'll take care of everything. Trust me. Okay, do your thing. Check it out. It makes cleaning so easy. It's spotless. My butler would be proud. Wow, that's pretty neat. Oh no! What a mess! Julie? Don't even think about it. Aw, I thought we were friends. What am I gonna do? Huh, what's this? I have an idea. It'll need some improvements. I better get to work. I'll start by removing the top. Now I'll make a fold here. I'll use tape to hold it in place. Now I'll cover it with blue card. Looking good. But I'm not done. I'll push a wooden rod through it. I'll put this to one side. Next I'll need a piece of card. I'll make small cuts in it. I'll do the same with other pieces of card. I'll put glue onto the wooden rod. And I'll stick the card to it. I'll give it a try. Now I'll add the finishing touches. I think it's ready. Aw, it looks so cute. Go get those crumbs. Wow, look at it go. This is amazing. It's picking them up. Whoa, I'm impressed. Hey, can I see that? No. Ugh, but I want it. How about some blue? I still like green the best. Oh no! My favorite sweater! You okay? What do you think? Oh dear. That's quite a stain. Not that I haven't seen before. You made it worse! So sorry. I know. What about this? Great color, isn't it? What about the holes? How old is this thing? I'll fix it. Oh, save yourself the thread. Oh, wait a minute here. This surely isn't garbage. Neither is this. Really? Watch and learn, Megan. Consider this a good lesson in resourcefulness. And fashion, too. Wow, impressive! Ta-da! The color looks great on you. Truly. Yep, it's giving recycled chic, don't you think? Oh, a photo. Hi, Internet! Yes! Woohoo! Ugh, naked toe alert. Huh. I can fix this. Thanks to my favorite marker. It's called camouflage, folks. Check it out.
Miss? Your soiled socks.
Oh, okay, I guess. Here you go.
Oh dear, is that frostbite? Kids these days, I'll never understand. Hello? Yes, it's urgent.
On it.
She's over here.
Oh, howdy.
Goodness gracious.
It's okay, I'll handle this.
If you say so.
Wait. So? Let me think. Stand up. I think I have an idea. Huh? Whoa! No, all wrong. Pink is a much better choice. It is? Oh, sorry about that. Huh? Let's try this again, huh? Wow! This is super cute! Right?
Yep. Oh!
Thank you! I'm not done. That beanie's gotta go. Ooh, I feel so beautiful! I know, it's a gift. Wow! I'm bored. Mom! What is it, honey? My tummy. Hello? Say no more. My last piece of bread. It's all yours. Thanks. It's hard as a rock! Just listen! What's all the noise? My tooth! How terrible. Okay then. No thanks. I know. Dentist mommy to the rescue. Hold this. Oh, he's so cute. Just focus on the stuff. Oh. Not happy! Whoa! Check out this stash! I've never seen so much sugar in one place! A jawbreaker! Uh-oh. Help! Pardon me. More sweets for my sweetie. Oh, wow. I probably shouldn't. I insist. Okay. Maybe just a piece. Oh, what is it? I have a toothache. Oh no. Just hang on. Yes. Okay. Come on, let's go. Got it. Oh, hi there. I just called about her tooth. Go on, show her. Money? It's okay, honey. I got this. Oh, baby. Shall we? Go on. I'll need more money. Of course. You take gold, right? Sure do. Alrighty. Give me a minute. Ta-da! Interesting. Are you the tooth fairy? I can't believe it! Ugh, no sparkle. I used to drown in bling. Well, not anymore. Wait a sec. What's that? A silver wire? I think I can work with this. Let's see. There! New tiara, who this? Well, that's underwhelming. I need sparkle! Ugh. Wait, what's all that? Finders keepers. No jewels, but it's better than nothing. But now what? Honey? What's the matter? Crafting troubles? 'Cause all I see is potential. Lots of it. See this old toy? It's about to be your favorite accessory. All of this old stuff, too. Just trust me on this one. It's all about to come together. Bring on the gold, baby. Just gorgeous. And it's all yours, sweetie. Wow! My little princess. It's beautiful! Almost as pretty as you. Thank you! Ooh, thanks, butler guy. I love this channel. So cool. I want earrings like that. I just have to find the right materials. Like that plant. So shiny. And not versatile. So what can I use? This pillow? Check out these sequins. Still not right. Oh, my candy. That's it. Things are finally looking up. Now for a bit of assembly. Guess I'm not eating these anymore. Add some tape on the ends. Now it can clasp around my neck. Wow! Hey, honey. Where did you get that? It's so beautiful! And you'll need somewhere to keep it. No way! That's all for me? I can't believe it! I love it! Thank you! Of course, honey. I'm bored. Look! Hi, Mom! Huh? Mom! I'm coming! Hi! Mommy! Yay! You like? Did you like this video? Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out.